CleanAir introduces Air Go, a lightweight, ergonomic, and versatile respirator. In combination with the appropriate head top, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a powered air purifying respirator, particle filters, filter caps with spark arrestor, belt, accumulator, charger, hose, airflow meter, and user manual. The contents of the package may change according to the specifications. Filter replacement and filter variants. When the replacing filters, unscrew them from the unit. Then remove the cover, spark arrestor, and pre-filter. Before using the new filter, fit the accessories in the following order: pre-filter, spark arrestor, and filter cover. Then screw the entire filter back onto the unit. Always change filters outside the contaminated zone. You can find the complete range of filters in the filter guide brochure. Putting on the belt and harness. Bend the belt at the joint to its limit position, towards the rear of the unit, until the locking mechanism is exposed. After releasing the lock, by pulling outwards from the unit, the belt can be freely removed. Follow the same procedure when putting the belt back on the unit. Inserting and removing the accumulator, variants of accumulators. You can choose from a standard accumulator or a heavy-duty accumulator with increased capacity for up to 20 hours of operation. Unlock the lock and remove the battery from the unit. To charge, plug the connector into the accumulator and insert the charger into the socket. Charging is complete when the red light goes out. Connecting the unit to the head top. Connect the hose using the thread on one side of the hose. Connect the other side of the hose with the quick lock connector by clicking on the head top. Switching on the unit, setting and signaling the display. You control the unit using one button on the top of the unit. Long press the button to turn the unit on and off. Press repeatedly to set the required airflow. The colored diodes on the display show you the battery charge status, the airflow level, and the filter contamination status. If the unit is unable to deliver the required airflow, the audio-visual and vibrating alarm is triggered. Airflow meter. Screw the airflow meter onto the unit and switched it on. The flow rate is sufficient if the cone is in the green zone. If the cone is in the red area, try to replace the filters with new ones. If the airflow is still not sufficient, contact your service center. Additional accessories and features. CleanAir offers multiple harnesses, belts, and other accessories for the unit. Visit our website for more information. CleanAir. Work hard, breathe easy. CleanAir introduces Unimask, a multi-purpose protective face shield providing the highest comfort and safety. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. Unimask is suitable for many kinds of grinding and other surface finishing operations and heavy-duty maintenance. Thanks to optional accessories, it is also excellent for painting and other jobs with a risk of contamination. The Unimask protective shield is supplied with a 2-point or 5-point head harness. You will also find a user manual in your language in the package. Airflow adjustment. The intensity of the airflow can be regulated with 2 controls at the bottom of the Unimask. Use the front control to adjust the airflow to the visor. The rear regulator adjusts the airflow in the face area. Visor replacement. Several variants of easily replaceable visors are available for the Unimask protective shield, from darkened, yellow to cylindrical, for which a protective foil can be used. Unlock the visor locks on both sides and remove the visor. When inserting the visor, insert the line on the visor into the slot on the shield. Press the visor and secure it again. When using a cylindrical visor, you can use a protective foil. Insert the cylindrical visor in the standard way and attach the foil to the protrusions on the sides of the visor. Stretch the foil over the visor and secure the foil on the other side as well. All visors for the Unimask protective shield are compatible with the Omnira and Omnira Combi. Changing the face seal. Multiple types of face masks are available for the Unimask face shield, depending on the type of material or color. Remove the visor to make it easier to change the mask. Grab the face seal in the bottom by the plastic part and pull the face seal out. Attach the face seal to the frame according to the arrows on the sides of the frame and the face seal. Then click firmly around the entire perimeter. After replacing the face mask, put the visor back on. Putting Unimask on the helmet. A 2-point head harness is intended for the use of the Unimask with a helmet. Put the Unimask on your face and pull the head harness over the helmet. Replacement of the head harness. Remove the face seal from the Unimask. To remove the 2-point head harness, push the strap outwards to release the red pins. After removing the pins, pull out the strap. Thread the 5-point head harness into the upper holes in the same way and secure it with red pins. After securing the top straps, place the face seal on the frame. Thread the hook on the top strap of the 5-point system into the fabric eye at the top of the face seal. Slide the plastic part with the 2 lower straps through the groove onto the plastic protrusion in the lower part of the face seal. Snap both sides on the clamping system, then put the visor back on. Hose connection. Push the hose quick lock system onto the Unimask connector and connect the hose with a simple click. Putting on a protective hood. Protective hoods are available for the Unimask. Short disposable, long disposable, and long made of anti-static washable material with ripstop treatment. The protective hood can be put on if you have Unimask on your head. Pull the protective hood over your head with the Unimask. Snap the hood frame into the top and bottom of the Unimask. Then snap the frame on the sides where the visor lock is. Unimask can be taken off and put on together with the protective hood. CleanAir. Work hard, breathe easy. CleanAir introduces Omnira Combi Air, an auto-darkening welding helmet with an advanced built-in air distribution system and flip-up welding shield, suitable for most welding processes. Thanks to the large clear visor, it is very convenient for grinding. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a welding helmet in a protective bag, hole plugs after removing the welding shield, helmet holder, and detailed user manual in your language. Remove protective foil before first use. Adjusting the headband vari-gear, sweatband replacement. You can easily adjust the head circumference by turning the back wheel. By clicking into the desired position, you will set up the depth of headgear. Set in all 4 places. Flip the headband holders and adjust the distance between the helmet and the face. All 3 pads can be removed and washed or replaced. The top and back sweatband is simply clicked into the headband. The front sweatband is removed by unclicking it and removing it from the holders. The new sweatband is put on in the same way. Removing the headband vari-gear using the vari-cap. For increased head protection, the standard vari-gear headband can be replaced with vari-cap head protection, which is fully compatible with the headband and CleanAir welding helmets. By unlocking the headband and inserting it inside the helmet, it can be removed completely. Snap off the top part of the headband vari-gear and snap the vari-cap in its place in the correct direction. Then put the headband with a vari cap back into the helmet. Head and neck protection deployment. The head and neck protection is already installed on the helmet from the factory. You simply remove the head and neck protection from the studs in which it is snapped. You simply attach the head and neck protection back to the studs located at the bottom and back of the hood. Removal and application of the face seal. The face seal can only be removed with the vari gear headband removed. Loosen the side red screws. Pull out the sides of the face seal. Grab the face seal from the bottom and use more force to snap it out of the holders. Then release the upper part as well. Snap the face seal back into the appropriate holders. Then put on the side pieces. Welding shield removal. Press the trigger and click off with a counter movement. Do the same on the other side. After removing the welding shield, insert the plugs into the holes. You put the welding shield back in by placing it in the respective holders and clicking. To ensure a proper fit, open the face shield to its maximum position. Replacement of the ADF filter and its settings. Gently press into the wire and bend it towards you. Use a screwdriver to gently push off the peripheral wheel of the button and lift it. To replace the battery, turn the battery cover cap. You can set individual ADF parameters using the buttons on the filter. Visor replacement, putting on the protective foil. Several variants of easily replaceable visors are available for the Omnira Combi Air Welding Helmet. From darkened, yellow, to cylindrical, for which a protective foil can be used. Remove the welding shield when changing the visor, unlock the locking levers on both sides, and remove the visor. When inserting the visor, insert the line on the visor into the slot on the helmet. Press the visor and secure it again. When using a cylindrical visor, you can use a protective foil. Insert the cylindrical visor in the standard way and attach the foil to the protrusions on the sides of the visor. Stretch the foil over the visor and secure the foil on the other side as well. Hose connection. Push the hose quick lock connector onto the hood connection and connect the hose with a simple click. Insert the hose into the hose holder on the headband. By turning the wheel on the headband, you adjust the desired head circumference. On the sides of the helmet, you can adjust the angle of the helmet by locking the individual holes. Adjusting the airflow in the hood, controlling the grinding mode. Airflow settings can be adjusted with two controls. You can adjust the flow in the mouth area with the outer controller. And with the inner controller, you can adjust the flow in the area of the eyes and visor. To turn on the grinding mode, press the grind mode button on the outside of the hood. Replacement of outer foil. To replace the outer foil, simply lift the edge and click. For inserting a new foil, insert the first edge, gently bend the foil, and insert the second edge. Usage of helmet holder. Clip the helmet holder to the belt and hang the helmet by the rear wheel. CleanAir. Work hard, breathe easy.